I'm gonna show you how to trim your YouTube videos. Maybe you want to trim something off the beginning or the end, or just take some parts out of the middle. But the only thing you have to do is go to Video Manager. And under Video Manager, you can go to the video you want and go to Edit. Or you could have hit that little drop down and hit Enhancement, but I'm just taking you through the long way. So hit Edit, hit Enhancement. Once you click on Enhancement, you go down here to the bottom right. You can pause the video and hit Trim. As you can see, it starts playing. You can pause it. Like, I'm gonna trim the beginning of this video. So you go to the part you want to take off from the beginning, and it's kind of hard to adjust it. You know, it may be 48.5 or 45, so you can't see those smaller numbers. So I'm gonna trim probably around here. Let me test it and see. Okay, I want to trim to 48. So what you do, you come here, you click on it, and you drag it to 48 seconds, or how many seconds you want. As you see, my mouse is kind of touchy. And then you want to test it and play and make sure that's where you want to start at. If it is, that's good. Okay, now I got a middle part. If you want to trim something in the middle, like I repeated a couple of things. So what I want to do is get to the part where it starts repeating. And then I want to pause the video and then hit split and then play it until it completes the parts you want to remove. Right here, I pause it and I hit the split again. So now I can come up here in that little part and hit X, and it's going to remove that from my video. I'm going to play it and make sure everything's okay. Everything looks good. So once that's done, you want to hit done right here. And you can revert to the original, or you could save it as a new video. I'm gonna just save this video here in place. So I'm gonna save it in place and hit save. And while it's being saved, the viewers can still see all the stuff that wasn't trimmed out. But it takes maybe, I'll say maybe an hour or so to get it trimmed up. So if this video helped, subscribe to my channel and have a great day.